Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and I thought I'd give you a sneaky update that Google has released in regards to Gemini and being able to generate interactive simulations and models in the Gemini app. Previously, it would just give you responses that were largely text with static diagrams. Well, now you can do these functional simulations, which is pretty slick. So I've got one lined up for you today just to kind of give you an example. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt in here. We're going to see how DNA structure works in 3D. So there's nothing that you have to do in terms of turning this on, but it's going to be all in your prompt. You'll also see that I am in the Flash model in the bottom middle of our screen. You'll see in the middle of our screen, it gives that result, so the text information of what we're looking for, but then in this gray area near the top, it's generating this interactive visual, which is pretty slick because now you'll be able to zoom in, zoom out, rotate and move and work with these different interactive visualizations as you see fit. Now, this is not the only thing that it can do in regards to this DNA piece. It could do things like, let's talk about your spreadsheets and your data there. Maybe you've got something that you want to see in real time, cash burn rates or Gantt charts or waterfall charts or heat maps, and you want to see interaction with that data in real time. You can add that information as a source and do that as well. So we'll give it a second here for it to generate its interactive visualization, and then I'll show you some things of what it can do. All right, so it's generated the visualization, and you'll see that just below it itself, I can zoom in, zoom out, and then I can do some different things in terms of rotation speed, highlight certain areas of this, look at the different base pairs and whatnot, all dependent on what your prompt is going to be. So this is pretty cool. So I can actually kind of zoom in, I can rotate it with the click of a mouse, really understand what this is going to be in this regard of this example. But if you're looking at your different use cases, business-wise, like I said, think of waterfall charts, Sankey diagrams, interactive heat maps, maybe certain scenarios or sensitivity sliders, maybe some sort of cohort analysis grids that you can do with your data too. So look for your different things that you can do with tables, grids, maybe certain types of simulations and things of that nature. Give it a try. It should be released to all versions of the Gemini app. So with that, once again, with your prompt, you can ask for things in 3D or 3D visualizations and animation. Hopefully that'll help you out in understanding your data, maybe in just a little bit of a different way with the Gemini app. Until we meet again another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Gary the Google Guy, or Triple G, signing off.